Hey everyone, in today's hug, we're going to talk about spicy carrots. So as promised last week, I was going to share my favorite vegetable recipes with you. Yesterday was number one, my crispy cauliflower. Today is spicy carrots. And this recipe is adapted from the Via Carota cookbook, my other favorite cookbook. I swear, by these two, Nothing Fancy and Via Carota, you are going to be in big business. I'm telling you. Okay, so here's the thing. Via Carota is an amazing restaurant in New York City, in Manhattan. And my son and his wife, now wife, it's hard to say that, they go there all the time for special dates. And the food is absolutely amazing. But this carrot dish is just divine. So here's what you do. You take carrots and you peel them. And then I stick them in, one of those Pyrex dishes. It's like got a lip on it. And say it depends on how big the crowd is, but you basically want to take water, like say 2 cups of water, and dissolve a tablespoon of sugar in it. So you want the water to be hot so that the sugar dissolves. And then you pour it over the top of the carrots, cover with foil, or if the Pyrex has a lid, which is what mine does, you cover it and then you cook it. So you're going to cook it at 450 for about a half an hour or till you can poke the carrots and then they're tender. And then what you're going to do while they're cooking is take a cup of Greek yogurt and mix in some salt and cumin. Okay, so about a half a teaspoon of cumin and about a half a teaspoon of salt, and mix it into a cup of Greek yogurt. All right. Then when you take the carrots out of the poaching dish, then you're going to drain them and dry them. Okay. That is what I found is key, is you want the carrots to be dry. And then you're going to drizzle them with avocado oil, sprinkle them with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then you're going to lay them in a single layer on a cookie sheet and roast them back in the oven. So it will probably take about another 15 minutes for them to kind of get browned on top. You might have to turn it on broil because depending on your oven, sometimes I actually put them on broil so then they get a little bit brown. Then what you're going to do is when they come out, you're going to sprinkle like a vinaigrette over the top. I make my own with lemon and garlic and olive oil and some thyme. And then you're just going to sprinkle them with that. And then when you plate them, the way you do it is you take a platter, you put your yogurt at the bottom, okay, your spiced yogurt. Then you lay the carrots on top. And then you sprinkle the carrots with some cumin seed and some pistachios, roasted pistachios. And oh my gosh, seventh heaven. Seriously, these are something I serve oftentimes at like say Christmas or holiday parties or any time that I just feel like these delicious carrots. And they're even good left over. So don't forget, get this Via Carota cookbook if you love to cook. The recipes are just divine. And this carrot one is my favorite. And I adapted a little bit just like everything else. Oh, and the last thing you want to do is chop up a bunch of herbs. I like cilantro. And then you sprinkle the herbs all the way across. And ooh la la, it is divine. All right, everyone, that's it. Let's close this big fat juicy Tuesday hug. Woo! Sending you so much love. Make it a beautiful day, my friends. See you next time. Bye for now.